Carbon is one of the most powerful cleaners on Earth and is used to attract the tiniest of contaminants in water filters and air purifiers. You can now use that same technology to remove all the grease, grime, and oils from your glasses. Introducing Peeps by CarbonKlean. Why look through dirty, cloudy glasses? Wiping them on your shirt only scratches the lenses and smears the dirt around. Soon they're so scratched up, you'll never see clear. Peeps contour angle microfiber pads route out oil and grime in the tightest of corners. Your shirt can't do that. Just look at the difference. Peeps instantly removes the dust, fingerprints, and facial oils that build up fast on your lenses using carbon molecular technology to get your lenses cleaner than you've ever seen. Then just recharge the Peeps cleaning pads in the included recharging station. Each set of Peeps is a complete eyeglass cleaning system. Peeps microfiber pads embedded with supercharged carbon lock onto dirt, grime, and dust like an unbreakable magnet that leaves your lenses crystal clear. No wonder NASA and the US military use the same technology to clean their cameras and scopes. Peeps are so powerful they last for up to 500 cleanings. That's enough to clean the grime off this floor-to-ceiling window with just one set of replaceable carbon pads. Wow! Electrostatic friction completely recharges the carbon molecules every time you slide the arms into the Peeps recharging station for a completely renewed cleaning surface. So no matter how your glasses get dirty, clean them the convenient, easy, and effective way with Peeps by CarbonKlean.
Welcome, Corey. How are you?
Oh, doing great. Thanks for having me.
Corey, your glasses are disgusting. How could you see anything?
Right. Why would anybody try and look through glasses like this? I mean, this is really bad. You know, fingerprints and facial oils and all kinds of dust and dirt. It all gets on there. We don't want you to have to run around in glasses like this, so we're bringing you space-age carbon technology in the most sophisticated glasses cleaner you've ever seen. These are called Peeps by CarbonKlean, okay? Now it just slides out like this, and right here, this is kind of like tweezers for your glasses. Each surface grabs a different side of the lens, and each one of those little microfiber pads is embedded with supercharged carbon that gets your glasses cleaner than you ever thought possible. Okay, now take a look. That was just a couple swipes right there. Can you see the difference? Look at that.
Wow.
Unbelievable.
And I was just gonna say, I've been using my shirt for years. I guess that's probably not quite as effective.
Okay, don't use your shirt. Don't grab one of these little cloths, because all you're really doing is just smearing the dirt around all over the place. Instead, use Peeps. Now, we did say that this was space-age technology. Let me actually take that a little further. This technology was actually developed by NASA and is used even now on the International Space Station to clean all their cameras and scopes. And here's what's really exciting about it. Inside the cap is a recharge station. So you see that little surface, that little horizontal surface in there? Every single time the Peeps go back into their cap and come back out again, it actually recharges the carbon molecules right here on the microfiber pads, so you're getting a fresh, cleaning surface every single time to keep your lenses super, super clean.
I love it. I can tell it's really getting right into the corners. And I'm kind of looking down here at our display, and I'm noticing this brush that's coming out from the other end. What do we use that for?
Right, okay, so let's say you're walking down your sidewalk and your neighbor is using their leaf blower, right? Dust is going all over the place. Well, they've given you a little brush right on the outside of the Peeps. You just push it up just like this, boom, and then you can take that brush and you can get all the big dust and dirt off before you use those supercharged carbon cleaning pads to go right there on your glasses and get that lens looking clean and beautiful.
Wow, that is out of this world. And I have to tell you, this is the best time to get this. This is the lowest price you're ever going to see it. And by the way, we're only showing a couple of the colors that it's available in. You see here we have the black and the hot pink, but we have them available in the colors of the rainbow. Gone are the days of smearing around the oil and the dirt all over your shirt. Get yours today.